Let's talk about the latest launched Honor smartphone X5 Plus. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with TFT LCD display, with 6.56 inches HD plus waterdrop notch display, resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, approximately 84.3% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 269 ppi. Pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 5 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 7.1. Screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz quad-core Cortex A53 plus 1.6 GHz quad-core Cortex A53, powered by MediaTek Helio G36 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.32 by 75.1 by 8.35 mm, and it weighs around 188 grams. The color options: midnight black, cyan lake colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5200 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor X5 Plus has been priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 26,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Honor X5 Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.